Hi, Z.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
Today we're gonna draw a water and fire pickaxe.
A water and fire pickaxe? That sounds cool. Let's do it.
First,
I got my super sparkly pen, so awesome. What do you have?
I got my flashlight pen.
Oh.
Hey,
Yeah, cool. All right, so what do we draw first?
So first, we draw a small little rectangle.
Okay.
But don't cover up the top. So
Okay.
it should look like this.
Okay, all the way to the bottom of the page like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure it isn't very close to the top.
Okay.
Now we have to do some sort of design on it.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna do some diagonal lines.
Okay, for the handle, is this?
Yeah.